I've considered doing LASIK for a long time. I've been through the sessions where I go meet with a doctor and see if I'm a candidate. I've done some pre-ops, and it's been 2 or 3 years now where I've very strongly considered doing the LASIK surgery. I've talked to a bunch of my teammates who have done it, some friends, some family who have all experienced LASIK, and just got a ton of feedback from them before I ultimately made my decision. And to be honest, after I did LASIK, I wish I would have done this 4 or 5 years ago. I had like this laundry list of questions that I wanted to know about LASIK. Some of the reasons I had backed out in previous years, my depth perception, would that change? Your eyes play a huge part of that, huge role in that. The lights, playing on Sunday nights or Monday nights in the big bright light stadium, is that going to affect my eyes if I do LASIK? The indoor-outdoor, playing indoors one week, outdoors the next week, the cold weather. There's so many factors. I just wanted to know, is this going to affect my eyes in a negative way? And Dr. Sharpe was amazing at answering those questions. He never pressed me to tell me I had to do the procedure. He was very calm, very intelligent and smart with his answers. And I just really felt confident that he was the guy that I wanted to do the surgery on my eyes. I was a little nervous. I knew I wasn't going to back out this time, but because I felt confident in the doctors and the machines and the facility and everything, I felt confident in that. And during my surgery, Dr. Sharpe really talked me through it, said what's coming next, told me I'm doing a great job, hang in there, vision looks great, all those things. And it was about 5 minutes an eye, and as soon as I got off the table, I had 20/15 vision. And I was out the door probably 5 minutes after that. So it was very short, sweet, very easy. And, like I said, I've just had nothing but just great things happen to me since. People ask me, what should I do? I'm thinking about LASIK. And, what I did is I did my research. I researched LASIK procedure. I knew all about it. And my recommendation to anyone would be just do your research, understand the technology, understand the procedure, and then go talk to the good folks at SharpeVision. They'll take great care of you.